shelling out hundreds of dollars every month for old-school email marketing software? It's time for a change. Now imagine, what if you could send unlimited emails effortlessly, without need to write a single email yourself or even maintain your own email list? Imagine, within minutes, you could have your very own email system equipped with integrated high-speed sending servers and dedicated IPs, effortlessly reaching thousands of recipients. Successful marketers are making a fortune with email marketing, and now you can do the same. In the past, sending emails for marketing used to cost a lot and was mainly available to professional marketers, paying hefty monthly fees ranging from $149 to $399, just to send emails to a limited number of subscribers, usually 10,000, without any assurance of achieving the desired ROI from your email campaigns? If you are not good in writing, then spending endless hours struggling to craft engaging emails that convert your audience into customers? Finding list building to be an exhausting and time-consuming process, slowing down your business growth? Losing up to 30% of leads when importing your subscriber list? Dealing with resource sharing, downtimes, spam, and unpredictable delays? That's not all. They can shut down your account anytime without any prior notice, and you can lose your entire business overnight. Even after that, there is still no guarantee that you'll get the desired ROI from your campaigns as you expected. Emails have emerged as the most powerful, profitable, and cost-effective marketing tool. They deliver 10 times more returns than any other digital marketing channel. Remember, they say money is in the list. So, if you had a powerful email marketing tool, ready to convert leads, and the ability to send unlimited emails with just one keyword, what could you achieve? Before we move forward, let me show you how I got 20K plus visitors in just 15 days on my affiliate offers, using the power of emails. And let's check out the crazy open and click rates I got for a simple email sent using AutoMailX. Impressive, right? How would you feel if you could do the same from the comfort of your home, with zero prior knowledge, all thanks to AI technology? Interested? Hey, my name is Prancha Gupta, and on behalf of my Visomart team, I'm happy to introduce to you AutoMailX, a next-generation email marketing app that effortlessly writing and delivering stunning emails straight to the inbox. The result? 4 times more clicks, opens, and traffic. Let AI take the wheel and say goodbye to those hefty monthly fees. With built-in high-speed SMTP servers, you'll experience email delivery with zero downtime. And that's not all. Our app comes with done-for-you leads in any niche, so you can start profiting right away. Smart tagging, the ability to import unlimited lists, and send an unlimited number of emails, all within a user-friendly, cloud-based platform, highlight the ease of use and modern interface. Our platform is not just powerful, it's also user-friendly and modern. Your email marketing has never been this efficient. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with AutoMailX. Step 1. Log into your AutoMailX account. Import list with no limitation or let AI find thousands of leads in any niche. Step 2. Just enter keyword and your link AutoMailX. AI generates profitable and engaging email with your link ready to blast within seconds. Step 3. Send and profit. Send unlimited emails directly into inbox for tons of traffic, sales, and commissions with just push of a button. That's it. There is no technical setup, there is no learning curve, and zero upfront cost. It doesn't matter if you are just starting out, or you are an experienced marketer. As long as you are aiming to make extra money online, AutoMailX is for you. AutoMailX works for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, social media marketers, coaches and mentors, product, service, course sellers to boost their sales and customer satisfaction. Any internet marketer, regardless of the niche, and anyone looking to create a passive side income online. By now you might be wondering how much it costs. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I can charge anything I want for it. You see, it's generating substantial monthly revenue. So, as long as I'm charging you less than that, you're still making a profit. The thing is, if I decided to charge you $1,000 or even $3,000 for it, many people who really need it won't be able to afford it. It's a huge commitment to pay thousands of dollars up front like that. And to be honest, I make enough money from using AutoMailX myself, I don't need to charge you all of that. So for a limited time only, you will get full access to AutoMailX for a small one-time fee, less than the price of a cup of coffee. However, that won't last long. I don't want to overload my servers and end up paying more and more fees. So I will have to limit the number of licenses I can offer. If you still see the buy button below, you're in luck. Go ahead and click on the button to get instant access. And with our copy now, and if for any reason you didn't think AutoMailX was worth every penny, just send us an email, and we will send you a refund instantly, no questions. We don't like to play games, so why wait? Say hello to AutoMailX, the future of email marketing. No monthly fees, no hassle, just results. What you're waiting for? Click on the button below, and I will see you inside.